So good morning, each one of you. Today we'll continue worksheet number 20 from your NCERT workbook. This worksheet is related with chapter number 10, respiration in organisms. So first question is tick the most appropriate answer. The process of respiration involves two main steps. They are, so you may give the right option, inhalation, exhalation, breathing and cellular respiration. Yes, Kavya. Digestion, oxidation. Yes,
inhalation and exhalation.
yes, inhalation and exhalation. This is a two steps involved in the process of respiration. Next, which of the organism uses tracheal tubes and spiracles? So you have to tell. Yes, and Anya Jain.
Ma'am, an earthworm.
No, beta. Nishchay Jain.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, an insect.
Yes, it is an insect. Earthworm, so beta, it uses a moist skin.
The moist skin.
Slimy skin is there. Animal can absorb oxygen dissolved in water through gills, which forms the floor of chest cavity, diaphragm. There is an air sac or alveolus at the end of each. Can you give me the answer for this number 5?
Ma'am, trachea.
No, trachea is in the neck. No. Anybody else? Yes, it is a bronchioles. Lactic acid produced in muscle cells. When they do not get enough oxygen, they use oxygen to respire. They stop when we drink milk. So lactic acid is produced when the muscles do not get enough oxygen. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because at that time the demand is more and supply is less. That's why. Next is the formation of vinegar is because of
Anaerobic.
which type of respiration? Tell me, children.
Ma'am, anaerobic respiration.
Yes, anaerobic. Anaerobic respiration. Next is the structure responsible for speaking is
Tongue.
next. The open area in the bark of tree are known as the open area in the bark of trees are known as yes, beta, tell me. Anyone, any idea? The open areas in the bark of a tree are known as lenticels. Next is the earthworm has a dash.
Ma'am,
Yes,
moist skin.
moist skin.
Ma'am, moist and slimy.
Slimy or moist, anything you can write down. Birds respire through. How the birds respire? Tell me. It's very simple, children.
Lungs.
How birds respire through?
Lungs.
Yes. Next is opening on the surface of the leaf where the exchange takes place.
Stomata.
Automata.
So kindly write down, children. I hope each one of you have done. Next, number C, complete and rewrite the following statements. So here you have to find out, correct and rewrite. Complete breakdown of food takes place during anaerobic respiration.
Ma'am, aerobic respiration.
So that will be during aerobic respiration. Kindly write down the correct option.
Aerobic respiration.
Instead of anaerobic, here will be a aerobic. Aerobic. Okay, let's continue with the next part. Fishes respire through trachea. So this word is totally wrong. It won't be a
Ma'am,
trachea.
fishes respire through gills.
Yes, so you may write down gills. Next, D part, in the given diagram of human respiratory system, label part 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, tell me which one is the first part?
Ma'am, first is nasal passage. Nasal cavity.
Nasal cavity भी आप कह सकते हैं और nasal passage. Number 2 is
Ma'am, oral cavity.
oral cavity. Next, number 3 is
Ma'am, trachea.
trachea. Number 4,
Diaphragm. Ma'am, diaphragm.
Ma'am, diaphragm.
okay. Next is E part, very short answer type questions. Aditya developed cramps in his legs due to heavy exercise. He is feeling pain while walking. Suggest him a method to get relief. Okay, children, those who have raised hand, kindly tell me. Yes, Nishchay Jain.
Yes, ma'am. Aditya developed cramps in his legs due to heavy exercise. He is feeling pain while walking. Suggest him a method to get relief from cramps. Cramps is due to the anaerobic respiration in muscles, and it forms lactic acid in the muscles, which causes pain. The method for relief from these cramps is to take a hot water bath or get a massage.
Okay, very good. So massage and hot water bath. Beta, I have written in a very short way, but you may write in the complete sentence. Massage and hot water bath will help him to get relief. Next is define a breath. Kindly tell me how you can define a breath. Mahi Gupta, you know?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, inhalation and exhalation through nasal cavity known as
Yes, inhalation, intake of air and exhale of air. That is known as a breath. Kindly write down. Inhale and exhale of a air is defined as a breath. Next is, children write down for the definition of breath. Next short answer type questions. Manjula took some lime water in a test tube. With the help of a straw, she then exhaled air into it. After a few minutes, she found that lime water turned milky. What does this activity show? It's very simple activity. You should know, each one of you. So many times we have done. Yes, Anya Jain.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, yes, in this,
What did this activity show?
ma'am, that if we exhale the air, then the air has pressure, and this
Yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, it shows that shows about carbon dioxide.
Mahi.
Ma'am, it is because of the presence of the carbon dioxide.
Yes,
Ma'am,
this
the
activity
activity
shows the
shows
presence of
carbon dioxide.
CO2. I am writing in the short form. You have to write because lime water has turned milky. ये देखो, you should know that. So what does this activity shows? This activity shows the presence of carbon dioxide. Why are gills well supplied with blood vessels? So kindly give me the answer for this question. So children, answer for this question is, why are gills well supplied with the blood vessels? So in short, I am writing for the exchange of gases. You will write the complete answer. For exchange of gases. Okay. Next is, how does plowing a field affect the respiration in plants? The question is that what will happen if you will plow a field? So children, whenever we plow the field, the soil becomes loose. There will be a lot of space between the soil and it will be helpful for the plants to breathe easily. More air will be passed through it. Okay. So kindly write down the answer for this question. You may write down in your own language. You write down, plowing helps or it creates a space. Plowing creates spaces between the soil. Creates the space between the soil, which allows the air to pass through it. Which allows air to pass through it. So with this, your chapter, children, your this worksheet is over.